Why it fell? There was some root rot on there. A game changer right there.
We did yesterday, we just used those like a couple of elements.
We're gonna see if we can get that thing into the lake. Tow it to the mill.
Hang on. There's the other ditch witch on hand, and then just so you know, we were going to have two of the big ones. That way we have to spin the last big log and then roll it. Right, it's going to be some sweet yard logging. We topped everything off at the end of the day yesterday, but oh cool. Yeah, might as well, if you could throw in, grab a couple cans. Yeah, some cans. I'm gonna go fix the boat. All right. What's wrong with the motor? The cooling system has something called an impeller, and it's this like rubber little impeller thing, and if it dries out, it's like plastic. Yeah, it won't work. And I think I was a little hasty. I put it in the water this morning. I think I should have let it soak in the water before firing it up, so it was like a dry start essentially. Yeah. And check it out, Russell. So this thing is 57.5 inches wide, and our gate is 58.
Awesome.
So
quarter inch on either side.
Yeah.
As fast as I can go. Put it in rabbits.
Okay.
So yeah, this is our biggest stump grinder. It's a Carlton stump grinder, and you can probably see it's fully remote controlled. We pretty much try and use this whenever we can, you know, anytime there's access. With this remote control, it's really nice because you can stand back behind your protection, you know, not have to worry so much about things flying at you. You can also get a better vantage point on whatever you're trying to grind. So right now what I'm doing is basically just trying to sweep this area. We were here a couple days ago. People have been here for a few days now, but I was here a couple days ago grinding this, and so I know that there's a bunch of hidden roots in here, so I'm trying to just go off the memory of where I think some things got buried and kind of clean up the last remnants. With this controller, you know, you can drive the machine, you can control individual tracks, and then you have, you know, full control over the cutter head here. Another random interesting thing about this is that it's got an oblong wheel, which I haven't seen on another grinder. So, you know, the wheel's kind of like an oval egg shape. Maybe that's why it has so much power. I mean, obviously the engine's bigger, but I think that oblong wheel might also add some centrifugal force to it.
You can see if there are any sharp ones in C4.
Right on. Hey, I'm Adam. I'm running the crew today. We have, I think we have 7 people here today. Quite a big crew, so a lot of moving parts. Everyone's working well. We got stump grinder going. Once that's done, we're gonna take that big log and roll it over into the water where the boat's gonna pick it up with the other 2. You know, laying down mats to protect the turf. It's oak, so it's extremely heavy, which is again why we're trying to let the machines do most of the work. Why it fell? There was some root rot on there. With root rot, then you know, that's kind of just a game changer right there.
We did yesterday, we just used those like a couple of elephants pushing up.
got this ground out through a track. So we're done with the Carlton. We're grabbing these and then we're bringing them right over here and we're creating a firewood pile where that Carlton is. Probably need what, at least 4 people just hand carrying the brush out to the chipper. We need probably 2 people with 20-inch sharp saws. Bucking it up. Yeah, bucking it up. See, if you, yeah, right there, but let's get you a stick.
After a couple, you'll just be able to, you know.
I've been doing it for 20 years and I still can't do it. So. Wow, look at these nails. That would hurt. Okay, you got this one? Put it in there. Okay, hold on. Oh, we got a yellow jacket nest. Still, like, we got to kind of rip that through because that's going to be.
Make a path.
Yeah, make a path. You cut this thing in half. Man, are we happy to see James. He's gonna get this thing back on the road.
Just out here trying to fix this track.
Yeah, we got an SK 3000 there, SK 1550. Just kind of like the younger brother of this one. They're good machines. I will say we've had a lot of problems with these front cylinders on the SK 3000s. 2 of them with very low hours have gone out, unfortunately. And it's not too uncommon to throw a track too, so.
Yeah, like any other track system.
Yeah, like right there.
Get the bar pushing in at the top, and we track forward, it might be able to ramp itself up.
Yeah, maybe forward there.
Most tracked equipment uses something along those lines. It's a ram that's full of grease that pushes that front bogey wheel forward and expands the circumference of the track.
That's it.
You're trying to stretch the tracks out to keep them tight.
PSI gauge, we're in the red zone, baby. So this log, oh my gosh, I don't even want to know how much that thing weighs. Solid oak. And our challenge is the other 2 we were able to roll parallel to the beach, which was really nice, but this one is laying 90 degrees. So I'm just I'm thinking we're gonna get 2 ditch witches on it, a little teamwork, a little elbow grease. We're gonna see if we can get that thing into the lake, tow it to the mill. we want to hook, so each log has its own rope. We just want to hook the first 2. Hang on. It's not going. Shit, maybe we ought to do one at a time.